In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link a domain that you purchased somewhere else to Hostinger. This is a very common situation because many people buy their domain from registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or other providers, and then later decide to host their website on Hostinger. The good news is that connecting that external domain to Hostinger is actually very simple, and once you know the exact steps, it only takes a few minutes to set up. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from adding the domain inside your Hostinger dashboard to updating the name servers at your domain registrar so everything connects correctly. By the end of this video, your domain will be pointing to Hostinger and ready for your website. And if you find this video helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, you'll see the main control panel, where you can manage your websites, hosting plans, domains, and settings. From here, look for the Websites section. Inside this section, you'll see an option that says Add Website. Click on Add Website to begin connecting your external domain to your hosting account. Hostinger will now ask you for the domain name you want to use. This is where you enter the domain that you already purchased from another provider. Type in the exact domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and continue with the setup process. Hostinger may guide you through a quick website setup, depending on your hosting plan. Just follow the prompts and complete the setup so that the domain is added to your hosting account. At this stage, the domain is added inside Hostinger, but it still isn't connected yet because the domain itself is still pointing to the registrar where it was originally purchased. To complete the connection, we now need to update the name servers at your domain registrar. So the next step is to go to the website where you originally bought the domain. This could be a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Porkbun, or any other domain registrar. Log into that account and navigate to your domain management settings. Look for the DNS settings or name server settings for your domain. Different registrars have slightly different dashboards, but usually you'll find an option labeled Nameservers, Custom Name Servers, or DNS Management. Once you locate the name server settings, you need to replace the existing name servers with Hostinger's name servers. Enter the following two name servers exactly as shown. The first one is ns1.dns-parking.com, and the second one is ns2.dns-parking.com. These name servers tell the internet that your domain should now point to Hostinger's hosting servers instead of the previous provider. After entering both name servers, make sure you save or confirm the changes in your registrar's dashboard. Once saved, the connection process begins, but it doesn't happen instantly. This brings us to the next important concept called DNS propagation. DNS propagation is the time it takes for the updated name server information to spread across the global internet. In most cases, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, but sometimes it may take up to 24 hours depending on your registrar and local internet caching. During this time, your domain may temporarily show the old destination or may not fully resolve yet, and that's completely normal. Once propagation finishes, your domain will automatically start pointing to Hostinger, and your website will load from your Hostinger hosting account. To confirm everything is working, simply open a new browser tab and type your domain name into the address bar. If the connection has completed, you should see your Hostinger website or the default website page you set up earlier. And that's it. You've successfully linked a domain purchased elsewhere to Hostinger. As you can see, the process is simply adding the domain in Hostinger, updating the name servers at your registrar, and waiting for DNS propagation to complete. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more website, domain, and hosting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.